Hey guys, this is Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. Behind me today we have a 2638. This is the newest model in the 2600 series by Mahindra. This model was known as a 2538, now known as a 2638. They've done a couple changes for 2018 and after that, so we're going to go through a couple of the changes and do a quick overview of this whole machine here so you can see this. Starting off with the backhoe, they went to a different backhoe on this. This is a 60B Backhoe that they started to put on this. A little bit heavier duty backhoe. It's got some serrated teeth right here. A little bit different style, heavier duty bucket. It's already pre-drilled for adding a thumb here. This is the backhoe that you're going to find also on some of the 1600 series tractors as well as the 2600 series. Or 2638, shall I say. It's a full frame mount, goes all the way in along the whole tractor. It's got its own rear seat, and of course outriggers and a boom lock right here. Really nice backhoe setup that they did on this new 60B Backhoe. As we come around here, on every 2600 standard, you're going to have a cup holder and a couple other phone holders, as well as a 12V outlet right here that you can plug in anything. And probably the best newest feature, or the two best newest features. One, we'll start off with this seat. As you'll see, it's on a hydraulic cushion. You can adjust that cushion with this guy right here, changing how much spring you want in that seat, how much tension is on that. So you're never going to be banging your back into your seat and never going to be stiff on springs like a lot of the other guys out there. You also got dual armrests on this tractor, so it's really comfortable when you're driving it around. And your seat will also come forward and reverse and stuff like that. Right now, you can move it forward and reverse. And you'll also have a tilt steering wheel right here on this tractor, so that's pretty comfortable. This tractor will offer the side-by-side hydrostatic pedals, forward and reverse on the floorboard. But the next nicest feature that they did on this new tractor is this joystick. Normally on the 2638 or 2538, the previous model, your joystick was out here. They did it right on the fender now. This is probably as comfortable as it gets. You put your elbow here and your hand's touching right at the joystick, right on the fender. Really smooth, easy operation. Now we can get in on the opposite side of the tractor when normally you always got to enter the tractor on the left side. So the tractor has automatic and manual PTO in the back. It's a 3-range hydrostatic with a low, a medium, and a high gear here. Your fenders are steel here, and you'll have a plastic piece on the outside. This plastic piece is because if we bang our fender, you're only replacing plastic outside, but it is all reinforced with a full steel fender here. Foldable roll bar. We'll go around here. Quick disconnect hydraulics, full front loader on the front, quick attach, loader bucket level indicator here, heavy duty front axles, some crazy steel on the full frame here on this tractor, nice grill guard on the front. This is just overall a really, really nice tractor for a 2018 model, 2638. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview on this new model. Again, Marshall from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. This is our first 2638 going out for our customer next week. Just unloaded it off the truck today with some awesome new features for 2018. Just overall a really good tractor that's going to lift more, pull more, and do more work than anything out there on the market. Great tractor. Any questions, give us a call at 413-253-5456. We've been a Mahindra dealer for going on 19 years now. We love the product. It's got a 7-year warranty. If you got any questions, again, give us a call or email us at info@orchardhillsales.com. Thanks, and have